Dear parents and my beloved students, how are you all doing? I hope and pray that all of you are doing well. Most of you may know me. I am Father Jojo Abraham, Principal, St. Paul's School, Jalore. I request you all to be cautious and keep the safety measures so that you keep away the coronavirus from our families and society. Stay home and stay healthy. This pandemic situation of COVID 19 has affected human life all over the world. COVID 19 led the world into a locked down situation. Institutions of all types are affected. But we are sure that we will overcome this adverse situation and will rise again with more vigor and vitality. Since lockdown is declared, we are not able to have our school as it should be. And we are not able to have the schooling for the children in the regular way. In the present scenario, taking into consideration the well-being and the future of our children, we have decided to have online classes for our children. This is aimed at helping our children that the loss they are having at the closure of the school be minimum and they be benefited at the best possible way. Let me explain the modus operandi of online classes. We have collected the WhatsApp numbers of all the parents. We have made WhatsApp groups for every class and for every subject. The concerned teachers of all compulsory subjects have made videos of their subjects and topics. We have uploaded the recorded videos in YouTube, and the link for the same will be sent to you on every working day from tomorrow onwards. We will try to send the link of the same in between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. You may open the link and help the students to study their lessons. Since these are recorded videos, you may do it at any convenient time during the day. The children can go through in any number of times and can clarify their topics at their own way. If any doubts still remain, they can clarify their doubts with the concerned teachers through the same WhatsApp group, and the teacher will be clarifying the doubts in the evening. You can ask the doubts by typing or by audio or video. In a day, one child can ask 2 minutes in audio or video or 2 questions. The concerned teacher to whom it is asked will clarify the doubts in between 7 to 8 p.m. At the same time, if any serious issues are there with related to online classes or anything being done in our school, the parents are free to contact me through this WhatsApp number, either by messaging or by calling. The books are available in the market. You are requested to purchase the same. If not done yet, please do it at your earliest, so that the children may be benefited better through the online classes. Teachers will be following the prescribed books and the topics. Children are expected to go through it while the teacher is teaching. They are supposed to take notes of the topics as the teachers guide them. They will have to make their notes in the fair copy so that as the school reopens, the teachers will go through it and will do the correction. Samples of copy correction also will be done during online classes so that students can do their work accordingly. I wish you all the best and a bright future. Let you safe and healthy. God bless you. Thank you. Jai Hind.